Start.
Hello, my name is Vishal Gaba. I have done my B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering. So, in my last year of my B.Tech, we had some subjects like data science in R. So, I had this interest in data analytics. Nowadays, there is a boom of data analytics. So, I decided before going to my PG, why not get a booster of uh, why not get a hands-on experience with machine learning. So I ran through this WhatsApp group on which we had a good team in which we could discuss any thing. We had workshops. There, I got in contact with Atin sir and many other people on the WhatsApp group who were interested in this same common thing, which is the role of Python in machine learning. So recently I went on this workshop. It was free, and it is on an introduction to machine learning. So I had a very good experience in which we had first of all the introduction to what is machine learning, and slowly we went on to the first steps. For example, the regression in machine learning, which was very interesting to know, and we got to know the core concepts behind it rather than just the basic Python lines of plotting and fitting and just predicting data in the single lines of Python. We actually went on to very through easy practical examples. We got to know how regression actually works, and how are those methods implemented in Python in a very easy and practical way. Apart from that, it was very nice, and I was satisfied with the level of curiosity I had in mind, and good introduction on machine learning really helped me to get my motivation back, and I'm planning to attend the next session soon.